Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we will see about Razorpay. Means I have created one video guys where I have shown the integration of Razorpay with Laravel. Okay, so I got comment like they want the Razorpay integration with Laravel 10 with the database. For example, if you're doing the payment and if the payment gets success or if the payment get failed, then that order ID and payment ID and whether payment got success or not. Okay, that we are means that storing in database. Okay, so that they want guys. Okay, so I thought I will make video on that, so it was request from subscriber guys, so I'm creating that video. So here what we will see guys, we will create a raise up integration using Laravel 10 and with that database, and here we are storing the data, success data, so store and failure data also we are storing. One more question you will get guys, why we need to store failure data also. Okay, so see guys, if your client, your customer is paying to you. Okay, and if for any reason if their payment get failed and all. Okay, so that time what will happen, they will tell you like we have paid but it got failed because of some reason and all. Okay, that time you will not understand whether they have paid or not, they have tried to pay or not. Okay, so that time you can see in your database and you will get the data of that client. Okay, and one more reason also guys, see if you have any e-commerce website and lots of people are purchasing from that website and some payments got failed, then that time what you can do, you can see guys in your database how much payments are pending and why that is happening, or you can communicate with that client and you can tell them you can do once again payment, it will work. Okay, so it is useful for you guys. Okay, so for that only guys, payment fail also is important and payment success is also important, and here order ID is also very important and payment ID, because to match the payment ID or order ID of customer and yours, so you will get guys, this customer has paid this much, this customer has paid this much. This we will recognize by using payment ID or order ID. Okay, so guys, let's start. For that what we will do guys, from basic we will start, and one more thing is here we will create two parts, part 1 and part 2, because if I cover in part 1 it will become very long. So part 1 part 2 we will do, so I'll request you guys watch both the part, this part and that part also. Okay, so from basic only we will start everything, installation and all. Okay, so first we will open the Razorpay documents. Don't think guys I'm wasting your time, just I have introduced to you what is the requirement and what is the use of the database and all. Okay, so I hope, otherwise don't comment simply wasting time in starting this much of minute. Okay, so this is important, so I told you guys. Okay, so Razorpay we do not, we will go in, not Razorpay guys, Laravel document. Okay, so we will go in our Laravel docs, and here we'll select the version 10x. So guys, go in Laravel, select the version 10, and here this we will use guys, because already we have created all the steps and all for installation Laravel. So that video already I have done guys. Okay, so here for a Laravel project, what are the steps required, that we will do. So I'm copying that, just go in command prompt, and this we need to install in our htdocs. Okay, so I'm going in my htdocs guys. So okay, I am in htdocs. Then what I will do, just copy this, come here and paste it guys here. Okay, then next, enter. So what it is, the link project directory is okay, it's not empty, fine. I have to change the name, I forgot guys. So here I have to change my name. So what I will write, I'll write like Razorpay underscore Laravel. Okay, so it is installing, you can see guys here. So here it will take some time for installation, so here we need to keep patience guys. You can see guys, almost installation we have ended. You can see guys, now the installation is completed. Okay, you can see application set, key set successful. Okay, so what we will do, we'll go in that folder, that is cd, what we have created, the folder name is Razorpay underscore Laravel. The same name, confusion happening. So what I will do guys, I will just cancel this, and from VS Code only we will start. Okay, so I'll come here, just open this Razorpay underscore Laravel, open it. open with VS Code. And from here only what we will do guys, we will open and we'll see whether it is running or not. You can see guys here it is my project, that is Razorpay underscore Laravel. Go in terminal. We are, you can see guys, we are in Laravel underscore, sorry, Razorpay underscore Laravel. Okay, here we are. Just type here what you know. So to run this, what command we need to use guys, you can see here we are in that folder. Then use this command php artisan serve. So enter. So this is the Laravel installation. So I will just copy this, come here, paste it here. Oh, bracket I have to remove. And I have not started XAMPP, even I have to start my XAMPP guys. Okay, it is running guys here. You can see this is my Laravel. Okay, this port my Laravel is running guys. You can see. Fine. Then next what we will do guys, after this we need to install. Okay, now our Razorpay installation will start. So just come out from this here. Okay, then we what we will do, we will install the Razorpay SDK. Okay, so for that use this command guys, that is composer require Razorpay forward slash Razorpay. Okay, if you're not install this it will give error, so this is important guys, just install it. So installation is going on. So here what we need to, after the installation guys, we need to add our secret key and API key in our .env file. Okay, so for that what we will do, installation will start guys here. Parallelly what we will do, we'll go in .env file, and here at the end we will create that. So here the Razorpay Ray, oh, what is happening? Razorpay underscore key will come here, and Razorpay underscore secret will come here. Okay, so this is the Razorpay key, this is the Razorpay secret key. This we need to add. So you can see guys, here I have opened, but it is taking time. Okay, if I go for login now, still it is loading, it's taking time guys. So already what I have done guys, already I have API keys, that is test API keys, that only I am trying, that only I'll take guys. Otherwise it is taking some time guys to open. I don't know why it is taking so much time. You can see still loading. Already I have API keys, I have used for the project, so that only I will copy from here. You can see guys, this is my test API keys. Okay, so I am copying this and I'll come here and just paste it here. Okay, so here it is done. So we have added the test API. Still installation is going on guys here. So you can see guys, the installation is done, means whatever the Razorpay SDK we have installed, it will take some time, but installation is done guys. Now what we will do, see guys, here we need one database. Okay, so my XAMPP is started here. So we'll create only database guys in localhost PHP admin. Okay, so go here, see now it is open. Just type here, oh, localhost PHP admin. You can see guys, our localhost PHP admin has opened. So what I will do, I'll create here one database. So I will write like payment underscore is okay. Otherwise only one name will give, pay raise up. Okay, copy it, create the database. So guys, you can see our database has been created. Now what I will do, I'll go here, and in .ini file where my database is, there I will add this, guys. So you can see, guys, this is my database. So here, instead of database, I'll add my name, that is pay Razorpay. So whatever name is there now, that name I am taking here, guys. Okay, done. Then next what we will do, guys, we want now tables and all, right? In this, you can see, guys, in this database there is no table, and we are not going to create any manual tables. Okay, you can see there is no table, only database is created. So to create that tables, what we need to do, we need to create one migration, guys. For that, see, you can go here directly. Okay, and just search here migration. Otherwise you can come here, guys, in database. There is migration. Okay, so here you will get the steps how to migrate the table, how to create a table. Sorry, guys. So here you can see, guys, so this only we will take, just copy it, come here, paste it here. So I'll change the table name, guys. So the table name I'll give like create underscore payments underscore table. Okay, so this is my table name, that is create underscore payment underscore table. So it will create my table in migration. You can see, guys, here one payment table has been created, you can see. Okay, so I want in this, guys, only, not nothing is there, right? So I want some table in that. So here what I will do, I'll take here dollar table name, guys. First we have to take name. So name will be what, it will be in string format. So here is my name will come. So I'll just copy this and paste it here, guys, because I want name, email, contact, then amount I want, guys, then payment ID and order ID and status. Okay, these things I need. So here email also string will keep, contact also will keep as string, then amount will take, guys, here. So amount, and oh, here is amount, and amount it will be in float also, right? So for that we'll take like this. Okay, then here my payment ID will come. So payment underscore ID in a label. Okay, then next what we will take is, here we'll take order ID as well. So order underscore ID, and here we'll take status. Okay, so here status means whatever the status, fail, success, it will store, order ID it will store, payment ID, amount, whatever the contact, email and name. Okay, everything will store here. Then what I will do, guys, after this means this is created, and timestamp means it will create automatically, created and updated. Okay, then I'll do here php artisan migrate. So you can see, guys, migration is happening. So it has been created my tables, guys. Suppose if I go in my database and if I check the table, so you can see, guys, pay Razorpay is my table. Here my table is created, that is payments table. You can see, guys, my payment table is created, name, email, contact, payment already, status created and updated. Okay, this is done. Then next what we need to do, guys, we need to create one payment model also. Okay, so model means for to do the connection between database and this. So for that, if you go here in Laravel documents, just check here models. Mm, what I will do, guys, here it is control, right? So I'll tell you the command because I'm not getting now here, guys, where it is I don't know now, I'm not getting. So instead of wasting time, what I will do, guys, here I'll write like php see, just see, check this. Here it is php artisan make, control is there now, here we need to write model. Okay, that's it. Php artisan make colon model, and model will be payment. So it will be payment, guys. So we here we are taking like payment, it should be singular. Okay, So payment model will create. So you can see guys, my model is has been created. Where it is, app models, you can see guys, my payment model is created. Okay, here I have to mention my table names. Okay, so right here guys, protected dollar fee label. Here whatever the name I have given guys, here that I have to take here. Okay, so first name will come, then there is email, then there is contact, then amount, sorry guys, then payment id, then here is order id and status. No need to take updated and uncreated. Okay guys, so this is done guys, name, email, contact, amount, payment today, order id, status. Okay, so done guys. So payment table has been created. Next what we will do guys, next we'll create a controller. Okay, so to create controller, already we told to create payment, same process we need to use guys. Instead of payment model here, instead of model here, we need to take like controller, and here it will be payment controller. Okay, so see guys, we have created payment model, we have created payment controller, then we have created tables also. This backend preparation we are doing is, this all is backend guys. Okay, front end we have not touched anything till now, only backend we are seeing. Okay, so go in http check, here it is payment controller. You can see guys, our payment controller has been created. Okay, so what we will do is, first we will see our backend. Okay, next we will go for front end. Fine, so here I have to import guys this thing, that is Razorpay thing, Razorpay API. So use Razorpay, then here there will be API, and here API. Okay, so I am importing this. Suppose if you are not imported, you will get error. Okay, then use app model, then payment. Okay, so see here is backslash guys, I have taken forward slash. So you can see guys, I have imported Razorpay API, then this is model, so app models payment, so that I have imported is app models payment. Okay, here I have imported. Then next what is guys, this is my controller. So here my main function will come for controller. So what I will do guys, first I will take the API keys from my. Okay, so here it is dot API, sorry, dollar API is equal to new, and here this will come guys, that is API, and from env we are taking list. So for that env, and in bracket there will be a this guys, just go here, copy this, come here, paste it here. Okay, this is my Razorpay key. Then okay, this is my Razorpay key guys. Then next what will come, next env, and here is my secret key. So this is my secret key I'm taking here. Okay, so Razorpay key I have taken, secret key I have taken. Here something is, see guys, in hurry burry what I forgot to write my function here. So write here function like public, and here my function will come, and the function name will be, what we will give is, will give name like create order, and here is request, and here is dollar request. Okay, so this is my function guys, and in this function I have to take this. Okay, Then guys, what we need to do, we need to request the data from my front end. Okay, so for front end, what, how it will be for front end guys, when guys there is name, email, contact, amount, like that input field will come guys. From that we are importing the data, or we are requesting the data. Okay, so that we need to include here guys. Okay, so here I'll write like request data. Okay, then next what I will do guys, here the dollar name will come. So I am requesting data, so it will be like this guys, request name. So I'm requesting name, then I'll request the email, then I will request the contact number, then I will request the amount. Okay, so here is my email. So here also email. Then here is contact. Same I will copy, I'll paste it here. Here amount will come, copy, paste it here. Okay, then here what I will do, just do star and here 100. We go amount in paise. Then next is done guys here. Then next what we will do guys, we'll create one Razorpay order id. See guys, I have told you order id is very important guys to track our payment and all. Okay, so I'm creating here Razorpay order. So to create that, what I have to do guys, see this, I'm taking one variable. So for that I want my API, that is dollar API, and here order, and here my create. Okay, so here I'm creating my order id. So to create that, I need receipt. So receipt you can take guys any unique number. So what I will do guys, I'll take like this receipt, I'll take, and underscore I'll take, and here I'll take guys one unique. For unique number, what we will take, we can take this guys, that is unique QID, means it will take the unique ID. Okay, for each payment it will be unique guys. Then here it is amount. So whatever the amount they are doing, that it will add with that. So here is my amount, and then next the currency. So this is the format guys to create order id. Okay, then currency will be in INR. So here guys, we will get my order id, means my payment order id I will get here guys. Next what we will do guys, we'll store the data, means whatever the order id and payment id, whatever we will get, that we will store guys in my database. Okay, so for that what I will do, see guys, here we're requesting the data from front end, then here we're creating already, then we will store this data in my database. For that I'll write here guys, store data in database. Okay, so dollar payment. So this is this variable I'm using guys, and here I'm calling my model. Okay, so here is my model, that is payment. Here is my payment model guys. Then next what I will do guys, I'll take here each data to store payment. So variable should be same guys, and this is my database name. Remember, whatever I'm giving here, that is my database name, and whatever will come, this coming from here guys, that is dollar name. Okay, I am taking here. So whatever data I am taking, that I am storing in my name table. Okay, so same I have to use for all guys. So what I will do, I'll just this copy paste. Okay, then email will come, dollar email, then here contact will come guys. Then after contact, amount will come. Okay, so before just copy it, paste it here. So this is because my table name is same only, so I'm just copying and pasting here guys, and here my amount will come, and here dollar amount. Okay, then after this guys, what we are creating, we are taking my order id. So here order underscore id will come guys, and here my order id will come, that is dollar order, here my id. Okay, so whatever the order id I'm giving, from this order id I'm taking this id guys. Okay, then next what I will do guys, status. So here the status will be initial, it will be like created when we create. Okay, then after that it will check whether failed or not, that time it will update with that. So initially payment has been created, like that it is. Okay, then next what I will do guys, here take payment and just save this data in my database. So this is very important guys, otherwise data will not get saved. Okay, so you can see guys, here we have created model, then name, email, contact, amount, whatever we are getting, that we are storing in database, order id, then status and payment. Okay, then what we will do guys, here we will return data in my JSON format guys. So for that I'm taking here return response, and it will be in JSON format. Okay, so here what it will be guys, it will be like order id. Okay, so I'm taking that from my dollar order in bracket id. Okay, so here I'm taking order id, then here is my amount. So whatever JSON response I want, that I can show here. So I want this much only, so I'm taking this guys. Okay, then I want key also. So here is my key env, and here it is Razorpay key. Okay, so just go here, copy this, come here and add it here. Okay, it is Razorpay key. Then next guys, I want name also. So here it is dollar name, then email. So here it is dollar email, then contact. So here it is dollar contact. Okay, so we have created a response in JSON format. Okay, so here in this function what we have done is, we have requested data from front end, then we have created the order ID, then by using model we have stored the data in database, then we are returning JSON format. Okay, so this is our controller guys. Okay, then one more function will come guys, that is payment callback, that also we will see. What I will do guys, first we'll create now blade file. Okay, for this what blade file I'm going to use, that we will see guys first. Okay, so for that what we need to do is, now just I will go in my resource file, and here I will create one blade file guys. Okay, so in Laravel we create blade file here only. So what I will do, I will create one file and I'll give the name like Razorpay, otherwise we'll give payment only. Okay, so payment dot blade dot php. Okay, so this is my blade file name guys, that is payment dot blade dot php. Okay, so here I will take the HTML5 guys. Okay, so here I got that. Then what I will do, first I will finish my header part. So what I required in header part, that I will add first. So here meta is already there, then document here, title will change guys, will take here payment or Razorpay payment will take. Okay, so here it is Razorpay payment, and here I'm not design like nice UI and all. You can design guys UI. See, for designing UI and all, uh, it is not that much important guys for backend people, I'm telling, because designing UI you can get any code from Google and all. You can design your input field very easily guys. Okay, so what is the backend part, that is very important guys. So here I'm not designing any input fields, so simple input field I'm taking guys. Okay, so you can design that guys, you can take your time and design nicely. Okay, so then what we need to take a script for Razorpay also. So for that script will take here, so it is src. Okay, so that is the checkout.js guys, it will be. So I'll type that here, or you will get online also, that also you can use. But now I'm typing, I'm doing everything by typing only, so what I'm doing is I'll type only. Okay, so here there will be a checkout dot razorpay.com. Okay, then next here v1 will come, here checkout dot js, then here a script will get complete. What is happening here? Okay, so this is the checkout page, guys, which is very important for Razorpay. Suppose if I integrate Razorpay, then for that this checkout page is important, guys. Okay, so you need to mention this. When this is done, guys, then next what we will do, guys, we need a jQuery also. So you can go, guys, in Google and you can check for jQuery. jQuery, okay, CDN. You can go here and 3.6 point, we'll check it, here it is for 3.7 is there. Okay, we'll open and check. This we don't want, guys. Minified will check. Okay, this we can use 3.7. Okay, so what I will do is just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so this is my script. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, so this I'll remove, guys. I don't want this all things. Okay, so here is my jQuery, guys, that is http code jQuery.com. Okay, so here I'll take, guys, 3.6.0. Okay, fine. So this is done, guys. Then next we want CSRF token, guys, for security purpose. So that will, because we are going to use that in our code, guys. So I'm taking here, that is meta, and here the name will come, that will be, oh, CSRF token I'm taking, guys, here, and here my content will come. So here it will be like, I think, guys, what is CSRF. This we use for our security to create tokens and all we use, guys, and which is very important if you're using any forms and all. For that this is very important, guys, so you need to use this. Okay, so we have taken in CSRF, then here is my jQuery. Okay, then what I will do, guys, here I will create one form. So for form you can use like this, and action will write later, guys. I think no need of action, we are using here IDs. Okay, so here I'll take input fields. So this is my first input. So what I will do, guys, I will just copy this input field. Okay, so I want, guys, what is there, name is there, email is there, contact is there, amount is there. Okay, so four fields are there. For four field I'm taking this. Then here the name will come, guys. Here we are playing with our IDs, so I am taking here ID. So try to take same ID only, guys, whatever the name is there related to that, then name we are taking here. So name, and here we can add our placeholder. So placeholder will be name only, or you can take, guys, enter name also. I'm taking only name, and here we will add required. Okay, so these all things are required, guys. Okay, done. Then next what I will do, guys, just I will copy this and I'll paste it here. By doing this, what I'm doing is I'm saving time. Okay, so for that you can type also, fine, because my typing is bit slow, guys. So what will happen, it will consume more time. So here is my email. Okay, and this is my email. Then here I'm taking contact. Okay, then here is also contact, and here is also contact. Okay, then here after contact my amount will come. So amount, here you can add enter amount also, guys, here. Okay, I'm using simply amount. So okay, this is done guys. Now we need to change type also. So no, name will keep text only, so this will change, will make this as email, and contact also text will keep, and this will change, amount will change with number. Okay, fine. Next what we are doing is we are using one button also for submitting. So I'll take here button, so the type will be button only. Okay, so type will be button. What is happening guys here? Okay, so here it is button, and ideal, so I'm going to use, but later I'll add that guys. So here it is pay now. Okay, so this is done guys. So we'll see our form. So for that what I will do, I'll go in my web dot root in web dot page. So here I need to check guys whether my form is means how it is. I'm not seeing look and all, but it is working or not, that will check. Okay, so I'm taking here root, and we are seeing means it should be in get format, so I'm typing here get, and this will be payment. Okay, it is payment guys. Then what I'll do is I'll take here function. Okay, and here I'm returning this view. Okay, so return view which is payment. Okay, so I'm returning this my payment view. You can use by using controller, so you can do this, but right now I'm using here directly, I'm returning to my view page. Okay, so when I type this in my browser, this file will get view, that is payment, this not this, sorry, this one, payment dot blade dot page. Okay, so I'll go in browser now. So here if I type localhost, and my file name is what guys, it is razorpay underscore laravel. So localhost, then razorpay underscore la underscore laravel. Okay, forward slash payment. Okay, it is giving me 404 not from localhost razorpay underscore laravel. Let me check this. Okay guys, see I forgot one thing here. Okay, so here it is telling because I have not started only guys, so how it will work, so I have to do php artisan. So see I have not done, and I'm just checking there, so it is giving error me guys. Okay, okay, so here it is running on this board guys. So instead of that I have taken here guys localhost, so we'll see guys whether it will work or not. So this I have to, okay, we'll check. It will not work guys, I think. Okay, so what I will do guys, here I'll take my root. Okay, and then next payment. So now it is loading. Okay, you can see guys it is working. So here is my name, email, contact, and amount is there guys. Okay, so we'll take later guys up padding and on, when we'll take that to down, but right now it is means my form is visible guys, whatever I have given that it is visible. Okay, so on this payment means on this route it is working now. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, so now again we'll go, so further things we have to do guys. Here what I'll do guys, I'll give here one heading. Okay, so what I will do, make payment. Okay, go and check, refresh it. So here it is make payment. Okay, it is fine. There is top padding also now, so no problem guys. Okay, so done. So this is done guys. So what I'll do guys, now I will create here one id which I needed. So for button I'll create one id guys, that will be the id name I'll give like pay now. Okay, and here I am not going to use action guys here. So here I'll use, so this id is guys for input field. Okay, so it will be like payment form. Okay, so I'm using here 2 for this one, and for this input fields I'm using this id guys. Okay, and this is for button. Then next what will happen guys after this, so once I'll check this guys, the working of this. Okay, so it is working fine. So next what we will do guys, next we'll create script for this. means what is happening is here, so whatever the name, id, email, whatever is there now, so guys, that I'm sending here, you can see guys, here we are taking that, right? So to fetch that we need to write one script guys. Okay, so that script we will write now, because when I submit, that will come here, it will create our order id. So for that, okay, so for that what I'll do, I'll go here, write like script. Okay, so in script what we need to do is we need to use here guys some ajax call and all do here. So it will be like, oh sorry, document dot ready. Here my function will come. Okay, then here first id will come guys, that is when I click on button, so what should happen, that I'll write now. So just follow me and do whatever I'm doing guys. So here is my, I'm taking id, so I'm using their hash. So hash id dot click, then when I click on that, I will call one function. Okay, so that function is this. When I click on that guys, so what should happen, that time I should get the data of name and all, right? So I'm taking here const name and I'm fetching the data. So dollar hash name guys, so I'm taking from that name. Okay, dot value, it should be, see guys, typing mistake is happening, so take here guys round bracket. Okay, so name and here dot value. So what we are doing is, we are fetching the value of name, then value of email, value of contact, and that we are storing with in this variable. Okay, so what I will do, just copy this and I'll paste here guys. So this is my email and this is also email amount. Okay, so here what is happening, color is not getting changed, color function. Okay, sorry guys, here forgot to add this. Okay, so here it is document dot ready function. Okay, I'll give some space so it will look nice. So here is my click function, this is correct, then name, email, contact, oh spelling is C guys, it is contact. Okay, it's correct now, it is contact. Okay, I'm fetching here, then okay, this is done guys, this we'll see later. Here it is closing, here it is closing, here it is closing, one will remove. Okay, so when I click on this pane now, so I'm fetching this all this data guys, and after that what I'm doing is I'm here doing one get csrf token. Okay, so I will take one get csrf token, so I'll give you a command guys like get csrf token. Okay, then here what I'll do, just make like this guys, just give variable name token, and here I'm fetching that from meta. Okay, so meta and in bracket it will be like this guys, you write like this only guys, how I'm writing. Okay, so name, it will be, so here we are taking the token from this csr token guys. Okay, then what we will do guys, we'll do here one ajax call. Okay, to call, so I'm doing that guys here. So take here dot ajax, then here is our url will come guys. So url, then url later I'll give guys. Okay, then next what I will do, the type will be, what the type will be, it will be like post guys. Okay, so make it post, and here whatever the response is coming, the data type will be guys, it will be in json format, right? So we need to take here json, then here we'll take headers also. Okay, so here what I'm taking is, here I'm taking XCSR token. Okay, so it will be like this guys, that is X, then CSRF, and this will be token. Okay, so here is token. What we're doing is, here we're including the CSRF token in our headers. Okay, so for that this is what we will do guys here. Okay, so here whatever the data I'm getting, that will send to our backend also. That will be name, it will be name. So whatever the name we're taking, that we're sending is to our backend. Okay, so name, then here it will be email. Okay, so here it is email, then here is my contact, then here also my contact, and then here is my amount, and here also amount. See, here we need to write. So what I will do guys, I'll write here my what I can say, root only. So later that root only we will use guys. So here it will be right, create order. Okay, so here is my create order. So what I'm doing is, here to create order data, what I'm doing, I'm taking this name, email, contact, amount, that I'm sending to my here for backend. That is, here I'm fetching that, I'm sending from there, and here I'm fetching that, and here I'm creating, by using that all I'm creating order ID. Okay, then whatever the data I'm getting, that's name, email, contact, amount, that everything I'm storing in my database guys. Here you can see amount, order ID, status. That time the status will be created. Okay, then that response I'm sending back to my front end. Okay, and guys, so whenever I get response, so that response, how to write guys, to write that response, here we need to take like this guys, that that will be success if the my payment is success, or when I click on button. So that time what we'll do, we'll call this function guys. Okay, so whatever the data I'm getting from here guys, that will be placing, that will be placed in this data. Okay, from that I'm going to fetch my data. So what I will do guys, now I'm taking this data from backend guys, and here we need to create one checkout page, right? So for that checkout page we need to show the data. So for that, now I'm writing code guys. So it will be like this guys, that is where option, and here it will be, first I'm taking key. So that I'm taking key from my data. Okay, so from this is, so it will be data dot key. Okay, this I'm taking from my backend. Then here is my amount. Okay, I'll follow one only guys. Here I'll give double quotes only. You can follow anything, single quote or double quote. I'm taking double quote, so I'm following this guys. Okay, so double quote amount. So it will be like this guys, data dot amount. Okay, then means Razorpay ki amount, it will be in paisa guys, not rupee. Okay, then here my currency will come. So currency will be in INR. Then next guys, I'm taking here name. So this will be the company name, you can mention here. So that I'll write like Infisky. Okay, then next I'll take guys, here you can take guys description, you can write here description. Okay, so you can write anything you want. So I am writing here payment for order. Okay, like that I will write. Right now I'm writing here. Okay, then here main thing is guys, order ID I want. Okay, so this is my order ID which I'm taking from my data. Okay, so it will be data dot order underscore ID. Then next what I will do guys, I will handle here response. Okay, here I'll use handler, then here is my function will come, and here I'm taking my response. Okay, okay, now we'll use one ajax call guys to verify our payment whether it is success or failed. Okay, so for that also we need to use here ajax call, so that we will use guys. So here my ajax will come, that is ajax call. First I'll take guys same, here also URL will come. So I'll take first only URL that later I'll use in my this guys in my root. Okay, so it will be like this guys, call back. Okay, and here function also will come guys for backend, that also we have to write. I'll write that also. Okay, and here the method type will be post only. Okay guys, so type is post. Then next guys, here data type will come. So data type will be same as it is, it will be JSON. Okay, then next same guys, headers we need to take. So same, I'll copy this, copying, and same I'll take here guys. Okay, so this the token we are adding in our header guys. Next what we will do guys, will means data dot, here I'll explain guys, this we are getting response from our Razorpay. Okay, so what I'll do here, Razorpay underscore payment. Okay, payment underscore id I'll take guys here, and here my response will be like response dot Razorpay underscore id. Okay, so here is my payment id, and here my order id will be there guys. So here is my Razorpay underscore order underscore id, then here is my response underscore order underscore id. So what we are doing guys, here we are calling one function, that is payment callback. Okay, so that function we will see guys now. This Razorpay, sorry guys, here it will be, okay, something is wrong here guys. Here I have to take Razorpay. Okay, before this dot will come, then Razorpay underscore order underscore id. Okay, so this I want guys, this is my payment callback. Okay, so this I'm taking from my from my response, whatever the response is there, from that response I'm taking this Razorpay id and order id. Okay, so next what I will do guys, I'll do this function. Okay, so for that I have to go guys in my payment controller. Okay, so I'll write here one function. Okay, so here it will be like public function. So I'll write like payment callback. Okay, so here in this what will come guys, when my payment will get success or it get fails, that I am updating in my database. Okay, so that I'll show you guys with when we do payment now, so how it will work, when it will come to where, that we will see guys. Okay, so from whatever the here we're fetching that this payment id and order id, that I'm taking guys in my this payment callback. Okay, so I'm requesting that, so I will request here first my payment id. So I'll take here my payment, here I will take my payment id first. Then next what I will do guys, here I will do like request guys, here I'm taking payment id request. So I'm requesting this from my here guys, that is Razorpay. I'll copy from here guys, that is Razorpay. Okay, from Razorpay underscore payment underscore id. Okay, so I'll come here, paste it here. Okay, so this I'm taking my id. Then next here I have to take order id. So here it is dollar order id, and oh, I have forgot here to take dollar. Okay, so here it is dollar request, and I have to take here now this Razorpay order id. Okay, so I'm copying this, come here, paste it here. Okay, so this is guys, I'm taking here payment id and I'm taking here my order id. Okay, that is from, means from response. Now what we will do guys, we'll check if the payment exists or not. Okay, means already exist or not. So in my table guys, this what, this way where we are checking, see here is my payment, that is pay Razorpay. Okay, so if I go in my pay Razorpay, not users, payment, sorry. If I come in my payment, so I will check guys whether my order IDs exist or not. Okay, so for that I'm writing here now code, so whatever code I'm writing for that guys. Okay, so here my dollar payment will come. See guys, I don't know my payment spelling why it get failed. What I can say wrong. See, okay, so here I'm calling my model, that is payment model. You can see guys, this I'm calling here. Okay, because here database matter, because we're checking in our database. Okay, so here is my payment. Then where what we are checking is order ID we are checking. Okay, so order underscore ID comma dollar order ID relate codes, and here we are taking first. So guys, what we are doing here, this order ID we are taking, okay, from whatever response I'm getting from that, I'm taking this order ID here. And whatever the my order ID in my, what I can say, in my table guys, that order ID in this order ID, whether they are matching, this we will check guys here. So we will consider this payment of this, and in that payment ID only we will update. Okay, so here for that guys it is okay. Then next what we will do guys, here if red is there guys, that same order ID if it is there, then that time what we will do guys, we'll do this guys, we'll take here payment. If payment means if payment is happening, so that time what will guys, we will, by assuming the payment is successful for now, so for that what I will do guys, we'll take here dollar payment. Then here payment underscore ID will come, and here my dollar payment ID will come, means I'm updating this in my table. Okay, then after this what I'll do here payment status, this also I will update guys. Earlier it will be created, now it will become successful. Okay, so here is my payment successful now. Then next what I will do guys, I'll do this payment save. Okay, so here my payment will get saved. Fine. After that what I will do, I'll return here, like I'll return one response. It will be like this guys, and this response we're using is for to show the payment success and fail in our front end page. Okay, so here my status is there, so it is success. Okay, the here my status success guys. Okay, so failed also I will write here only guys. If my payment is failed, so that time what I will do guys, I'll copy this same thing here. Okay, and I want here payment also. Okay, I'll write here guys. So here it will be like dollar payment, new payment will come. Okay, so here is my new payment. Then here is my, okay, here is my payment ID, okay, we need to store here order ID also is failed. Okay, so this I'm taking here, my order ID will come. This is my table guys, that is order underscore ID. If my payment get fails, we're storing, we're updating this case order ID, and the status will be like failed. Okay, there will not be any payment ID here, order ID will be there. Okay, then save. Okay, then I'm doing saying, then here also we will return the response guys. So I'll copy this, paste it here, so the response will be failure. Okay, so next what we will do is we'll take this two response to my front end here, and we will show like payment is failed and payment is successful. For that I'll write here guys, now give the success to what we need to do. and if fail, what we need to do. So I'm taking here success. If my payment is success, then I'll write like this, guys. I'm calling one function, and the function will be like this, guys. It will be in windows dot location dot href. Okay, and here I'll call one root, guys. That root name I'll write now like this, payment success. Okay, so this only will take later while creating roots. Payment, okay, success. And if my payment get failed, that time we'll write like this, guys. That is error function. Okay, okay, error function. It will be like this. Okay, error function, and here I'm taking exit out and status, and here is my error. If error is there, it will tell, guys, what type of error also. So for that we are taking that. Okay, so I'll print error in console as well. So payment verification error. Okay, so here it will be, we'll take that in text, guys. Okay, so here we're printing our error, and what we will do, we'll return this for failure. Copy this, come here, paste it here. So windows your location to href, and it will be payment failure. Okay, here if my payment got failed, then what it will do, guys, it will give, this is XML, guys. It will give the response from server, and status means it will tell whether the response is success or failure, guys. And error means it will provide the error in string format, guys. That will be the response text. Okay, suppose if anything error is there, then it will show us like this is an error and all like that. Okay, so for that it is, guys. Then next what we will do, guys, we need to add here some pre-filled data of Razorpay. So for that, what I will do, I'll go in my, okay, I'll go in my browser, guys, and here I'll type a Razorpay PHP. Okay, so from direct from server we'll take that. So here, guys, I'll click on this, that is integrated, because I want here that part, guys. So that I'll copy from here directly. So here go in integration. Okay, okay, here only I'll get that. So I'll go below. Okay, so here see the checkout page is there. From that I want this, guys. So I'll copy this part. Okay, copy it, and I'll come in my code and paste it here, guys. Wait just a second, guys. Okay, after this windows or href, here this will come, will get close, here this will get close. Okay, after this, guys, I want this. Okay. Mm, okay, to save time I'm doing, guys, this. Okay, so we'll change here some part. So I don't want this callback URL and all, so I'll cut this. Okay, so here is my pre-filled data will come. So I'll take in this format, guys. Then here my name will come. So that also we will fetch. Here I'll take name. So whatever the name is coming, that I'll give directly here, guys. So here will name will come. Then here email, and here is my contact. Contact. Okay, fine. Okay, so pre-filled data will be name, email, and contact. Then next, what I will do, guys, here this is my correct, guys. That is Razorpay. Here I'll take as one, and new Razorpay options. Option is nothing but this, guys. Whatever the option is there, that we are taking here. This is to open my checkout page, okay? And Razorpay one dot open means it will open my checkout page, guys. Here. Then next, I'll format this code. First, I'll correct everything, guys. So I think extra error brackets are there, guys, because I'm getting here error. So I have to check that. So this is done. This I don't know, guys. Then okay, now it is correct, guys. So you can see here it is done. So I'll try to format the code. Okay, it is formatted. You can see. So here it is formatted, guys. Everything is done. So, okay, next what I will do, guys, I'll go in my web.php because I have given here root, but I have not created roots for for create order also and for payment callback also. So for that I have to create here what I can say, guys, roots, guys. Here take we'll create first create order id root, guys. So for that we'll take here root, and it will be post means we are creating means the format will be post, and here my root will come. That will be it is in payment dot right, create order. Okay, go in web.php, it is create order. Then here my controller will come, so I am using as payment controller. If I go here, here is my payment controller. So I'll take that. Then class, and here I'll call my function. So my function name is what? The function name is create order. So that I'm taking here. Okay. So this is done. Then next same I will copy this, guys, controller. Okay. For post this, okay, the create order. Here my order will get created. Next for payment callback I have to create, guys. So this is my payment callback. I'll come here. Here my payment callback will come, and I'll check the path what I have given, guys, here. So it is okay. This is payment callback. Just copy here, paste it here. Sorry, it is here. Here we are doing payment callback. Then next what we will do, guys, I want to I have used here as payment success and failure rate. So that I'll write, guys, here. So it will be like root. With this I'll copy because I'm going to use like this. Okay, so here it is root, then get, then here first I'll take is payment success. So I'll go here, what I have taken the root for that. So here it is payment success. So copy this, come here, and here is my payment success. Okay, so my when payment gets success, then that time what I will return, guys, here I will return right payment successful. You can write here, guys, one blade file also, and to that blade file you can view that blade file here. You can do that also. Okay, but I'm directly writing, giving one, returning one word, guys. Okay, then here is payment failure. So I'll copy this my path and paste it here, sorry, here. So payment failed, here I'll write payment failed, please try again later, like that will add payment failed, please try again. Okay, so here when my payment gets success I can see this, and when my payment get failed I can see this. Okay, so everything is done, guys. Now we'll try to execute my program. Okay, so here it is running, you can see already I am running my program. Okay, I'll go here, just enter here. I'll open my inspector also, guys, if anything is there, because I don't know whether I'm feeling error should come, so I can show you something in that. Okay, so it is load. I will write here name, guys, then here my email will come, here my contact will come, and here my amount will come. Okay, so this is my table. I'll show you table also. My XAMPP is already started, as you can see. You can see, guys, this is my pay razor pay. In that pay razor pay, in that is my payment table. Okay, now I'll try to do a payment. So pay now. Let's see whether it is giving an error. Okay, it is telling me one error, guys. value. Okay, for value I think I have taken something wrong. I have to check, guys. So here my value is there, right? So that I'll check. Oops, sorry guys, here it should be val, not value. It should be val. Okay, sorry guys, I'm really sorry. Okay, so here it is val. Then later once again I'll check, guys. I'll clear this. Okay, val, once again I have to refresh because it is HTML file. So done. Email, mobile number, amount, pay now. So if any error, I can see in this console, guys. I'm clicking. Okay, the payment page got open, guys. Okay, suppose if I go in my what I can say database, you can see, guys, one payment has been created. You can see, guys, means my create function now it is called whatever the create function I have. So this function get called, guys. Okay, this function and this data has been stored. That is name, email, contact. Okay, name, email, contact, amount, order ID, and created. This has been saved. You can see here, but payment ID is not saved because my payment is, I don't know whether it is success or fail, right? Till I have not done payment, just I opened, so it is created like that. Okay, then next what I will do, guys, I'll select one payment method. So I have selected online payment. I'll make here success. Okay, so now we'll see what will happen, guys, whether my payment will get success or fail. That will check. Okay, here it is payment successful, it is telling, but in database I have to check and where it will written. Okay, it is telling me payment successful. Fine. So I'll go in my localhost, guys, and here I'll check. So you can see, guys, here my status is successful, but my payment ID is not stored, right? So something is wrong in my code, so that I have to check. So I'll come here in my code. So in blade file, I have to check, guys, whether I'm sending here proper my payment ID or not. So here is my Razorpay payment already response. Okay, guys. Here it should be like Razorpay underscore. Here it should be wise payment should come. Razorpay underscore payment underscore ID. Okay, so for that I was getting none, guys. Okay, here payment ID is there. Okay, fine. Everything is done. Return. We're returning this. Okay, then here I'm returning this. Fine. Okay, so everything is correct. Now I'll check, guys. I'll go here. I'll go back. Refresh once again and amount p. So you can check once again. One more data will store here. You can see, guys, payment is created but it is not successful yet. So I'll go in my this, select it, success. So you can see, guys, here I got success. We'll check whether we got payment ID or not. Okay, payment is here. You can design one nice page, guys. Like for example, if you go here, uh, payment success page in HTML. If you check here, if you go in images, you will get some pages. See, guys, this page is successful like this. You can design there. Right now, I have taken only normal like this. You can design, guys. Okay, fine. Then I will go in database and I'll check, guys. Okay, you can see, guys, now my payment is successful, and even I got my payment ID also because my payment is successful now. So I got here payment ID. Okay, you can see here, guys, I'm paying the 10 rupees, but here it is storing 1,000 rupees. So that we will check now. So we will check, guys. So for that I have to go in my backend, guys, that is in payment controller. So here I have to check the amount. So here I am multiplying with 100. Okay, so it is multiplying and it's taking 1,000, I think. Okay, fine. So what we will do, guys, here we'll request the amount. Okay, instead of taking direct amount, we'll take this from dollar request. From dollar request we will take the amount, guys. Then here is amount. Okay, now we'll check guys how it will work. So now I'll go here, go back, payments. Here I'll put name, email, contact, amount 10 rupees. Okay, now we'll see whether it will store 10 or 1000 because I'm requesting now there. Okay, now we'll go. Okay, this payment successful guys. Now I'll go in my database, refresh it. You can see guys, now I got 10 rupees. Okay, so because of that here we were multiplying, right? So it was taking guys what, 1000. So this were requesting guys from request, so here I'm getting in paisa. Okay, so this is done guys. So one more I will show you guys, failed also I'll show how it will work. So we'll go here, go back, and same I'll do 10 rupees only, and I'll try to make this as fail. Okay, what happened? Okay, this is taking bit time. So this bank I'm using. Okay, you can see here the payment has been, it's already has been created, no payment ID. Okay, now I'll go here. I think I have clicked two times, so it is showing two entries. Failures. Okay, for failure. Okay, I have done failure guys. Now I'll go here and I'll check what it will do. Okay, it is still created. I need to fail this manually. So what I'll do, there is no option. Okay, I'll go back. We'll close this first. Okay, I'll close from here. Yes, exit the payment. So now you can see guys, here fail will not come. Okay, here fail will not come guys because we are existing from that payment. But we can see guys, he person has tried to pay the payment but he did not pay the payment, so that we got. And payment failure means, for example guys, if there is a internet issue while paying, while when you click on success, and if there is any internet issue and if something get wrong, that time what will happen guys, that time we'll get here failed, and we will not get payment id also if my payment get failed. So like this what you can do guys, like this you will understand how many clients or customers are paying to us, how much amount they are paying, and how much are successful, how much created, who have tried. Then you can contact with them guys by using this mobile number, right? So like this you can do guys. So I hope guys you got, and guys I have put lots of effort for this video, and for editing also it took lots of time guys. So I'm requesting you guys, please guys, share this video with everyone, and please like, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel. And guys I hope guys you got how we can create Razorpay, how we can integrate Razorpay payment gateway in a Laravel 10, and you can use this guys in your application, and everything I told guys, your database, everything is clear here. Okay, so I hope guys you got, and only if you're using this knife, it is big application also, it is very useful guys. Okay, anyway you can use this. Okay, so I hope guys you got everything, and if you have any question regarding this, then guys please comment in comment box. So watch this video guys full. Okay, so thank you so much guys, and keep supporting guys. Thank you so much.